Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about compare method of DataFrame, and this feature has been added on 1.1.0 version, and if you are using any older version of Pandas you might not find this one. So now let's talk about it. This compare method helps us to compare two identical data frames. Now let's look into these two data frames where we can say that these two are identical because columns are same in both of these data frames and number of row are also same. Only difference is there will be some data mismatch over here. Here it's extra and in this one it's Python. So there are some value which is not same, otherwise dimension of these two data frames are same. So now let's learn how to compare these two data frames and get all the mismatch records. Over here we have compare logic where this is the first data frame, and then we are using compare method and then passing the second data frame over here, and then we are using a line equal to 0 or 1. So if we are saying a line axis is 0, that means output will be vertically stacked, and when we are passing it as 1, that time it will be horizontally aligned. Let's print this data and see the output. Now over here when we have axis is 0, we are getting this record on one on top of another. So in the first data frame value is extra and in the second data frame it is Python. Over here when we have axis equal to 1, that time we get this data in a horizontally aligned. This is from first data frame and this is from second data frame, and wherever there is a match we are getting NaN. Alright, we wanted to see the actual value instead of NaN, then we have to modify pass one more argument over here. So let's delete this part, and here I will pass one argument as if equal to. So if I will re-execute this code, we'll get the value. So this is 21, 21, 23, 23. So we are getting all these value, and wherever there is a mismatch we can see both this value from the data frames. Now one thing to note here is this is actual data frame, but when we are getting the mismatch data frame we are only getting two of these columns because name column is not showing up here because both the value are same. So if you want to keep the same size for the output, then again we have to pass one more parameter here, keep shape equal to 2. And if I'll re-execute this code, now we are getting the output with the same shape where we have 3 columns and 4 rows in each of their corresponding value. Okay, so thanks for watching.